Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Gargi. I make DIYs, fashion, beauty and lifestyle videos on my channel. If you are interested in any of this video, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. Please hit that subscribe button right below this video. I will appreciate your love and support. So today I'm gonna review and give you a demo of the new HAVELLS Hair Straightener. HAVELLS is a brand that is known for making really good quality electrical appliances, and recently they have come up with their new range of hair straighteners and hair dryers. So I have their hair straightener with me. So this is priced at rupees 1295. So when I compare the prices with other hair appliances available in the market, either it be brands like Roots, Coriolis and even Allen Truman, the hair appliances of those brands tend to range from rupees 4000 to higher like 8000, and even Allen Truman has a straightener that is priced for rupees 10,000, which is really not on the budget. When I see these wonderful beauty bloggers and YouTubers using those Allen Truman straighteners and things, and I really get tempted to buy them, but let's be true, we do not all have such a huge amount of money to spend on something like a hair straightener, which is not our basic needs, which is a luxury. So I was really happy that they come up with a range that is so affordable, and I got it from Nykaa, and I got this for rupees 999, which is around rupees 1000, because HAVELLS was on sale, which is again a good thing. You can always find them on sale. So yeah, I'm very happy that it's so affordable. It's perfect for college going girls. Even if you are someone who want a straightener that will not that is not too expensive yet give you the good results, this is, I think, a good option. So I will start off by telling what it claims on the packaging. So it says instant heating technology, 45 seconds quick heat up. It has ceramic coated plates, and it has easy shaping, floating plates for easy styling, and it's also said to have a tangle-free swivel cord for hassle-free maneuvering. Apart from that, it has a highest temperature of 210 degrees Celsius, which is pretty high. It has plates lock system, it has advanced PTC heating element, and it has a 1.8 meter power cord. It comes in this box, this carton box, and when you open it up, the straightener comes in this plastic wrap up. I'm gonna remove the plastic. This is how the actual product looks. It comes with its brand name on the front, and it has a very sleek design, and it comes with this on and off button here. So the cord is pretty long. The cord is 1.8 meter, which is pretty long. It also comes with its own manual, which is very handy if you are a beginner and if you haven't used a straightener before. You can see here how to use, operating instructions. You will get all these things here. So let's keep this aside. Coming to the straightener, I got it in the shade purple. It had two more shades, I guess. I'll leave everything in the description box. And the first thing I noticed was its sleek design. Like, it is so sleek. I used to use the Philips hair straightener, which has really broad plates, which did not allow me to curl my hair using the Philips straightener. But I think this is a very good option if you want to curl your hair using a straightener as well. This is the plate lock system. When you open it, and your plate is open, as you can see here. Now I'm gonna insert a clip and show you guys the demo of this straightener. So I'm going to divide my hair into two sections. Now I'll switch the straightener on. I will let it heat up for around 30 seconds. Then I'll be taking a thin section of my hair and start straightening it. By the way, this is my natural hair. I haven't applied anything on my hair. I haven't even applied a heat protection mist. So now I'm taking a thin section of my hair, putting all the hair back, and I'm putting my straightener and slowly pulling it down. I can feel that it has heated up very quickly. this is how my hair looks. I can definitely see that it has straightened up, but I'm gonna go with one more time and let's see how it fares. So this is how my hair looks now. I'm pretty sure you can see the difference. This has straightened my hair so quickly. Now I'm gonna do the rest of my hair and let's see. Shine on my hair. It's because of the straightener's ceramic plates. It leaves a beautiful soft shine on your hair, and I am quite impressed with the results. At this price, this straightener is definitely providing a very good quality straightening. And you guys have already seen I haven't gone more than thrice on a particular strand of my hair, and it has definitely straightened my hair super fast. It also heats up pretty quickly, so I think this is a very good product to go for if you are on a budget. I highly recommend this straightener. So this was all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want any extra information, do let me know in the comments below. I will reach out to you. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you want to keep up with my future videos, then please subscribe to my channel. I will leave the link in the description box, and you can also click on the subscribe button right below this video. And if you have already subscribed, thank you so much for your love and constant support. Please click that bell notification button so that you don't miss out anything. So do like, comment and share this video with your friends, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.